Today is a special day because we are making sourdough tortillas. First, you want to start with 1.5 cups of all-purpose unbleached flour, followed by 1¼ teaspoon of kosher or Celtic salt. Mix those up together. Next, you want to add 1/4 cup of softened butter. You really want to make sure that it is softened because otherwise it's going to be hard to mix in with the flour and the salt. Cut the butter in with either a fork or a pastry cutter, and then add 1/3 cup of unchlorinated water. And finally, your sourdough. You want to add 100 grams of sourdough discard and mix this all together until it forms a dough. Lightly flour your work surface and knead the dough until it becomes soft and smooth. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. This recipe will make 6 large tortillas or 12 small tortillas, but in my case, I split that and did 3 large and 6 small tortillas. After cutting, place your dough balls into a bowl and cover with a damp towel. You'll let the dough rest for 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
After letting the dough rest for 30 minutes, you're going to take them out and we're going to roll them as thin as you can. While you're rolling out the dough, have your pan heating on medium-high heat. You want to place your rolled out tortilla on the pan and let it cook until it puffs up and you get little brown spots on the underside. Then you want to turn your tortilla over and let it cook until you get little brown spots on the opposite side as well. And then you are done. And just like that, you have homemade tortillas for any night of the week. Follow for more and I'll see y'all next time.